Clint Brown here. I want to show you some of the enhancements to Inventor 2020.1. One of the things that's been added is an enhancement to the spell checker, but just very quickly, let's remind ourselves. So the spell checker was introduced in Inventor 2019.2. It allows us to check the spelling of any notes that we place on a drawing or any text in a text box in the drawing environment. You'll see here it's picked up that notes is badly spelt, and again I get options to change that. We also have the ability to look at our spell check settings. We can do things like ignore capitalized words, etc. What's really good in here though is that we can actually also set custom dictionaries. You could have a dictionary full of acronyms or specific words that your company uses, and you can share this path with other users. So 2020.1 has extended this to iProperties. So we can now go into our iProperties, and if I add in a title, the spell checker will now pick up any spelling mistakes, and just like inside of drawings, we can correct those spelling mistakes, and we can also get to our spell check settings from this area. A really nice enhancement to Inventor 2020.1. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful.